We got the Volar on the AST construction, and we're really happy about this line. It's been performing for like 2 years now in our range, and it's going really good. The results are like people from like schools and centers, and they're transitioning to windsurfing, or just looking at a bigger board that is going to allow them to get out there any day. And so it's been really popular, and basically the market is asking us for more economical, durable construction. And so that's the AST. It has more of a marine grade finish, so it gives it a lot more strength on impact, and so as people drag it on the beach or get a little bit more abuse on a center or something, and that the board has that thicker epoxy on the construction that allows it to be more durable. The Volar AST is basically the exact same shape and mold that we use on the Pro construction. It's just built with the AST layup. One of the main questions people ask us on the free ride segment is how does the board handle the chalk? And so the thing that we have been doing for years is having this double concave inside of the V that reduce all the chop and all the noise and all the bumpiness, and is able to cut through that and keep the board just gliding through it. It's basically like shock absorbers. And at the same time, you want the speed, and that's where we go a little bit flatter with the double concave towards the back, quite a bit flatter by the fin. And the V again, it minimizes towards the back. So when the person is like ready and is like, okay, I'm already with the comfort, now I want to get all the speed I can get, and they're moving back on their strap position, they're accessing more all the power and the speed and the glide of the further back part of the board. It comes with 3 options. So as you are intermediate or getting into windsurfing, you're going to be a little bit more comfortable being inside the board. And as you transition in and you are more aware of how you're balancing with the board, then you start moving out to the rail. That gives you more access to the power of the fin that allows you to go a little bit quicker and a little bit more upwind performance. So it has all the options. You go from the inside to medium to further out on the rail. And as you go further out, you also transition a little bit further back. So the inserts, they gradually go back. The Volar is basically, it has a racing rocker. It's just the profile of the board is a little bit thinner, and the outline is a little bit more pulled in. So the horsepower of the board, the speed of the board, it's all there. So if you want to fly on it, you just go further out on the rail, and you trim more on the fin, and you're basically riding a racing rocker. But if you are wanting to teach somebody how to windsurf and get in the straps, you just put a center strap, you remove the outside straps, and you move this strap further in, and you put the mast track a little bit further forward, and the board suddenly becomes first-time person having the best experience ever.